This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
I'm not moving. Oh man, I forgot my
Holy fucking shit. Oh my god. Holy shit.
Oh shit!
Still shining, baby girl, wildin'. Look in my
Thanks for the chicken. Oh, he ran that red light just plain as.
What the fuck was that, dude? Wow. Okay then.
See other Coldplay fans from a different part of the country and joining the excitement there. The reason I think has stayed so popular over 2 decades is because their music taps into the human experience. You know, the experience of love, joy, pain.
What? What? For pink eye? What?
Girl on Tinder was actually his fiance. She made a fake account to test whether he would stay loyal, and when he flirted back, she confronted him. Yes, what my son did was messed up, but creating a whole fake profile to trap your partner.
Like I'm speeding. What the fuck are you even thinking? You gotta look. And it was highlighted by the fact that that speed limit sign was flashing white light at us. Why do you think that she...
So, a long time ago,
Video locked. Video locked.
said that he doesn't build up, so let him.
I know. I'm like letting him. We'll sit down and we'll just have a nice quick.
Now it's green. Oh my goodness. Green is crazy. Whoa, whoa. Wow. That's stupid. Did you do it?
No, somebody else did. I should have.
You should do it.
I don't know why I don't.
It's just, it doesn't have the right way.
None of them people going through that light is fucking.
God's grace is good. People are crazy. Said I thought you wanted